Alrighty guys, I'm back with another video and I am gonna let you listen to a song before I start. Um this one is made by this song's made by another YouTuber and I figured I'd let y'all listen to it. I don't know if you listen to it or anything. But make sure to like and subscribe and enjoy the beginning part of the song.
I built a base out in the plains, made a potato farm and grew sugar cane. I tamed a wolf and watched him grow. Just he and I lived there so happy alone. But then one day, the griefer came. He lit my house on fire, my dog went up in flames. I had to run, he took my diamond gear. Guess I'll start over somewhere far away from here.
I'm not gonna let y'all listen to that part, but I'll let y'all listen to more later in the video. Just if I forget, I'll make a part 2, but I just let y'all listen to music. Okay. And I won't talk the entire time until the end of the video. Okay? Well, I'm gonna get into the world now. While this is learning, let's let y'all listen to a little bit more.
I sailed across the open sea, explored the caverns and the endless ravines. Down in the cave, I built my home.
Alright, well, the public is making a second. Alrighty. I got my crafting table and my furnace right here. Nothing really new about the Toonie version other than the sun. Like, look how cute this darn thing is. It just makes me sad. But it also makes me happy.
Hear my voice? 47 views.
It just makes me so happy to see the sun.
Bro,
Is
why
cute.
did I made my first house in Minecraft stop 380?
I'm gonna look at the distance, see if I can find anything. No.
Look at Bunny plays Minecraft for no reason. LOL, 23 views.
Finally got a new view.
And then I did my first video in Minecraft, 85 views. Dang.
Hang on, guys. I'll be right back. I don't know if y'all can hear the sounds. Yeah, right now. To the caving. Okay. Hang on, guys. Alright, I'm back. Okay, we are now halfway through the video. We're now halfway through the video, guys. Okay, try to let y'all listen to more of the song, okay?
And there I hid away, encased in stone. Thought I was safe, but think again. Somebody griefed my base while I was in the end. And I returned to nothing left behind. I've gotta build a base no one can ever find. I'll climb up to the clouds and build a sky base. Nobody is ever finding my base. A palace in the sky where I'm the king. The only way I'm safe is if I'm in my sky base. Up here in my sky base. But I'm a fool, I didn't know. Creepers can spawn up here when light levels are low.
Alrighty. So I was gonna watch the sun go down because the moon is fixing to come up. And I don't like these textures right now on the floor. What happened to this? It seems weird. I just need coal, that's all I need. All I need is one piece of coal, game. Can you load a map? Anyways, guys, why is this here? I'm gonna go that up. Okay. You know what, guys? I think I'm just gonna go inside, and stuff. Like, I'll watch out the windows and stuff. Okay. I'm gonna just let y'all listen to the rest of the song, cause, why not?
Felt a blast, fell through the floor. Guess I won't be living in my sky base anymore. That's okay, I'll build another sky base. This time I'll put lights all over my base. I'll never have to leave my home again. Finally I'm safe up here in my sky base. Up here in my sky base. Up here in my sky base.
Alrighty, guys, that is the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll make another video where I'll probably do like 5 songs each. But anyway, stay tuned for next time's video. I don't know when I'll probably be making one tomorrow, but just I'm gonna give y'all one quick look at the moon. Look at it, isn't it adorable? Alright, guys, stay tuned for the next videos, and peace out, you guys. See you next time. Make sure to like and subscribe, as always. And stay tuned for other videos and stuff. Yeah. I will be renaming the YouTube channel eventually, or making a new one. I don't know. I'll probably just name it by my name. Or probably my Roblox name. Yeah, I'll do that when I become older. So stay tuned.